you know, Eastern medicine, but Western medicine hasn't caught up to that. We have to know like everything.
Yeah, we'd rather prescribe pills. But like I always say, if medicine worked, then why y'all got to get your prescription refilled each month? If medicine worked, you wouldn't need refills like that. But I need some refills of swamp syrup. Oh man.
Pretty much make like a tincture kind of thing and then screen this thing out.
Mm-hmm.
Let it cool. And we add our raw honey in it.
Yeah, so before I whipped this little video out, Luke was telling us how science can't quite keep up with all the benefits of turmeric. We've got 3 different varieties of turmeric here, and some black tie gensing, as we call it. So we probably can't pronounce the real name.
All right, there's that. That's gonna go this yellow, this blue.
And we boil all this stuff down before you mix it in with honey.
Yeah, this gets all boiled, simmered with the elderberries in the stock pot.
Right on.
We got some water in there already.
Making some swamp syrup, y'all. It'll be available to purchase. Can mail it right to you out here at Green Planet Farm. You know it. Look at those goodies. This is gonna be so awesome. We're gonna make some swamp moonshine too. Just kidding.
Got these dried elderberries here.
Yeah. Now, it'd be hard in the moonshine in Florida, you know. You need clean water to moonshine.
Yep.
All
It's
right.
about a half pound there. Go up some patch.
And these are all wild picked.
Well picked, sustainably harvested, it says.
Sustainably harvested. Rock on. What's up?
So we're not taking advantage of Mother Nature too much.
Right? Can't ever
We got
do that.
cinnamon. Gonna need about 6 teaspoons. 1, 2. Like that measuring.
Yeah. So,
I've
counting it off.
done this before. I've done this before.
Oh, Dr. Luke out here. Said it doesn't say RX, it's swamp syrup, darn it. Around here we
If I told
measure
you
with
guys
their
how many
eyes.
teaspoons are actually in it, you'd copy my recipe. You know?
Yeah, right?
Clove's pretty powerful, so you don't need too much of that.
Mm-hmm.
And basically, technically you don't even really have to heat this up, but I like to get the release some of the chemicals and benefits of it. But American elderberry doesn't have the cyanides in it like the European elderberry, so you don't technically have to boil it. We just do a slow simmer and let everything kind of cook together. And
Yeah, I'm glad you said that because that's always something people, oh, you got to
you
be
can't
careful
eat them
with the...
wild. In America, you can.
Yep.
Then it's Sambucus canadensis is the species that grows on the east coast
Nice.
of the United States. So
Cooking up. Man, I feel like a witch doctor again. This is awesome. swamp syrup. This stuff keeps you so healthy, man.
You can see it's a lot of elderberry compared to the water. I mean, it's a concentrated batch.
You know, as me and my roommate was talking this morning, and she bought some, and she's, you know, we're talking about health, you know, and the whole fear of the virus stuff, and even sickness just in general, though. And was like, I'm not a doctor, but, you know, some of these old bush skills like this must work, because how often do you see me get sick? You know, I can't really remember the last time I've gotten the flu or a sickness of any real kind like that, you know. So I haven't gotten a flu shot, since I was a kid. Yeah. They make me sick, but hey, I tell you what, something must be working right, because, you know, I watch people wash their hands 12 times a day, and they're sick all the time. And, you know, maybe they're washing some good stuff off of them too. I don't know.
Yeah, they've done the studies where you need some of that bacteria at a young age, so you can get up immune defenses.
Maybe it's I just spend enough time outside and out in the woods and in the water that, you know, hey, I'm just part of nature at this point. Man, it's starting to smell good already.
Yeah, if you brew a batch of this inside your house, it smells real good.
I bet. Thanks for guiding us through this. This is awesome. Guys, I'm going to post a link here with the video so you guys will know where you can get online and purchase some of this. Rock on. All goes out to help support our local farmers like Green Planet Farm right here with Luke.
Yeah,
see y'all.